What's good, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how to install Weatherstar 4000 on Windows Vista. This is like basically the exact same as newer versions of Windows, except like there's an older version of 7-zip that you need to install. So that would be version 19.0, which I believe is the last version to support Windows Vista, but whatever. Anyways, when you get to 7-zip, when you install 7-zip, I'll be linking all the links in the description, including where you download Weatherstar and where 7-zip is. So open 7-zip file manager as soon as you get 7-zip. Now, as soon as you get 7-zip, you might see this screen. Click C, users, your name, and go to the downloads folder where it would be. But in this case, I have it saved on, I believe it's a ISO image, and I forgot to mention I am in a virtual machine. So, yes, once you click this, click extract, and what you need to do is you need to create a folder on, it's like somewhere on your desktop. I just named mine folder because, I mean, like, I wanted to keep it simple. I already created this stuff, so I do not need to go through here. So create like a folder on your desktop. Oops. Folder on your desktop. And what you want to do is select the 7-zip file, or the Weatherstar 4000 file. Click extract, and you want to extract it to where you created your folder at. So I will not be doing that since I already have like some stuff in a folder already, so I'll throw this straight in the garbage. Double click folder, and you might see, you will see this Weatherstar 4000 folder in your folder. So double click that, and you should see this. It's not in here because I took it all out, because I already did this. So when you do see this WS4000, double click it, and it should be loading. Now, I just want to let y'all know I already did some of this stuff, so it might just be some stuff filled out, but whatever. There is a screen that pops up right here. If it does, click on create new, and I will just click the 3 dots and put whatever it's trying to put into like your folder that you created on your desktop. So once that's done, click on local and put in your hometown. I'm gonna put in Elkhart, Indiana. I don't want to put in my hometown for personal reasons, obviously. Anyways, once that is done, for primary city, I put in Elkhart, and when you click on the 3 dots, it'll download some reports. Now, I just want to let you know that if it is red, it is really, really far away from your home. If it's yellow, it's still far away, but it's not that far away as the red, which means it has some data but is missing data, as you can clearly see. And if it's red, it's not able to download the report because it is out of your region. I clicked on the top one, which is KEKM, and done. Now for backup city, I put in Chesterton, but I don't live in Indiana, so I don't really know what station is nearby Chesterton. But that being done, for latest observation cities, I put in Elkhart. I only want one to just keep this video short. So once that's finished, obviously click the ASOS ID, and once again, I don't live in Indiana, so I have no idea what stations are nearby Elkhart. So I click the top one, and that'll be done. You can obviously put some more in here, but I just only put one. For regional, go down here, and I already chose Elkhart, but it should be blank for you. So click on the plus symbol and put in your hometown and Indiana, and it should have some results right here. Once that's done, the ASOS ID should be automatically filled in. If it isn't, then click on the 3 dots and manually fill the ASOS ID. Once that's done, go to travel cities, except travel cities is already done, which is amazing, because if travel cities wasn't done, I'd be throwing a fit, and this video would be extremely long, and the editing would be a nightmare. So, Once Travel Cities is done, for radar, this is like a logo. If you already have a logo in your computer, click on the three dots and navigate to where you have the logo saved in your computer. For flavors, what this is basically like how you want Weatherstar to look, like how it functioned like back in the day. So like basically, if I chose like 1995 right here, it would act as if like it was 1995 and it would show all of this stuff right here. But if I were to choose like 1991, it'll only choose like this right here. This will only pop up. But you can obviously add some segments in here. All you gotta do is choose press add a segment, and you can press one of these right here. So just for content, I'm just gonna choose local update, and it'll show you what local update looks like, and it'll add it to the segments. Now down here for seasonal playlists, I have a song right here. If you don't choose like a song for some reason, it won't let you start the simulation. I think that's weird. So for seasons, I'm gonna choose summer, and it'll automatically have like a date right here, which is June 21st. Create new. Click on untitled and click on assigned flavor, and I'm gonna do 1995. Assign song, navigate to where you have that song. It is in music, and I have a song in that folder, as you can see on my desktop. Once you chose the song, click OK, and that should be all for now. For add crawl messages, this is optional. I already have an add crawl message in here. It is Windows 95. If you want an add crawl message, that's up to you. But with an add crawl message, is basically what it shows at the bottom of the screen. For like the message, I put Windows 95, so at the bottom of the screen it'll show Windows 95. For intervals, keep this 15-minute the same, and when you put an add crawl message, it'll this should say unassigned, but when you click on unassigned, it should say like assign blah blah blah, whatever you put in here. Just click assign, and it should assign here. Now that should be it for this. You can run the simulation. Now if it says local's information is not fully configured, that's because at the latest observation cities I only wanted to put one. Just click on yes, and it should be running the simulation. Now that is all for this video. I hope this helped. If you do happen to run into any problems, then let me know down in the comments. But I'll see you later.